Mashallah. Woohoo! 2 points, girl. Good job.
I'll be unboxing a new toy.
Ladder and toss.
Backs and
It's called the ladder toss. See?
everybody can join.
Ladder toss.
Nice, so how do we open this? There's a zipper. Look at those.
Show them what's inside.
These are the sticks.
Be careful with it. Let me see the balls, Naomi.
Ta-da! You can't. No! This is
Let me see the. This is the PVC pipes. Salamat do. Where's the manual?
I have the vlog.
Woohoo! 2 points, girl. Good job. Go, me.
Don't take it off.
One more. Woohoo! 5 points altogether. Because you got 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 points. Shiloh's turn. We played this in Oregon. Remember? Abe wants to try. Go, Abe. Oh. Ka dong. Wow ka dong. Tubig. Go, Abe. Go, Abe. Woohoo! 2 points, Abraham. Good job, buddy.
Hey! 2 points! You got shows. Sorry. Oh no, that was 2. Taking my turn. Hey, where's the other red piece? Oh. You can wear mine. You can wear mine.
Okay, Umi. Okay, Shiloh, your turn.
Come here, you two. You're coming on my team.
Okay, Naomi.
He bumped me on the hole. Not when I don't want to have
Okay, move.
kids.
Hey, no. No, oh, no. That he's kind of scary. Be careful, Abe. Go, Shiloh. Two points. Okay, it's okay. Just you need to add yours, Naomi. You're not adding yours. Hey, you.
Mommy, I found a pokey plant.
Being pokey. Whoa, that is stickers. That's gonna stick in your. Uh-oh.
I found a pokey plant.
See, put it in your shirt. Look. I'm gonna show it. It's gonna stick in your shirt.
Ow!
I told you.
Ow!
It's called a sticker.
Ow!
Yeah,
Don't
you need
do that. That's
Okay, you found a stick, Abe?
I still can feel it.
Okay, Abe. Sticker. You like the window? Come here. Go, chummy. Come on, girl. Ooh, 2 more.
Oh no, you gotta stand there.
Shallow, it's okay, Shallow. Yeah, oh, that was close. 1 more, Naomi. Aim for the yellow one, Naomi. It's 3 points.
Go.
Oh, that was close. Okay, Shallow. Go, girl. Go, girl.
Get behind it.
Naomi, you're gonna get hit. Back off. Whoa, that's way too far, girl. 1 more, Naomi. Back off. Save. Woohoo! 1 point. Wow, that is really tight. Shallow, that is not good, Noah. Back off, dude. Well, it's okay, Naomi. Wait, he has 1 more. Woohoo! 4 points. You got 4 points, girl, because you got 1 plus 3. Okay, mommy's turn. Let's see if I could beat Shallow. Uh-oh.
Mommy, beat Shiloh.
think-
Beat Shiloh.
I don't know if I could beat Shallow. She's very good. She got 4 points. Don't touch it.
Oh no!
Nunu. Nunu. Asa ka dong? Ayaw hawid, ayaw hawid.